Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We are going to do a test shot on this DeLonghi Magnifica XS. We descaled this and put a new thermal block in, is that correct? And let's try this shot real quick. There we go, it's a nice shot there. Check the hot water. Go ahead and finish the cycle. Some nice hot water. Check the steam. Open the valve. There we go, once it purges through, some nice strong steam. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.